Any mention?
But I'm
Yes.
praying for your lordship intelligence. My lord, for one unlisted matter, my lord.
What is urgency?
Well, urgency, there's a civil matter, my lord.
Civil matter is basically not urgent matters.
But there's some urgent because they are trying to evict, my lord. There is an ex parte order by the trial court, my lord. Well, here what happened, my lord, we are defendant, my lord, before the trial court. We engaged a counsel. Counsel never revealed in the matter, nor filed written statement.
Well, you were challenging what order?
Basically, I am challenging the appellate court's order, my lord, by the district council, by which the ex parte decree has been upheld.
But then what is the urgency? If decree is upheld, it has to go for execution.
They are trying to.
There doesn't seem to be any urgency.
What they are doing, well, they filed execution petition, but over and above that, they are trying to use extra legal means to evict.
No, but then how that would this court will help you in that situation? You cannot pass any order like that.
I mean, Monday, at least Monday, because what is happening?
It will come up on Monday, you file it.
It's listed Monday also.
It will be listed Monday.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, Your Lordship. I pray this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. No objection,
No
Your
objection.
Lordship.
At the request of the petitioner, this is matter of please.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yeah, please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 21.
Yes.
This matter may come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
This issue is
Issue is
3 weeks at the request of the petitioner.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Your Lordship.
Your
I pray for
Lordship.
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. We have already informed the other party also, Your Lordship.
And for the
Your Lordship, I'm for the respondent number 1 to 3, Your Lordship.
The say is spread forward by the petitioner and not objected to by the
No
learned counsel
objection.
for the respondents. List this matter after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2
I'll
weeks.
oblige.
2 weeks, please.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, I
Yes.
would like to mention item number 13 as the council is on.
Mr. Paul.
No, Lordship, it's BF Kharwanlang.
Yes.
She's the out of station, Lordship.
Which is the other side? This is a
I'm for the state,
2018
Your
matter.
Lordship.
Why you are taking time in this? This is a service matter.
Your Lordship, but the council is not here today.
What
So
do you mean by keeping this matter
after a
pending?
week, Your Lordship, can be after a week.
No objection, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks, just write like previous thing. Request has been made on behalf of the learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner to adjourn the matter. The prayer has not been opposed by the learned G appearing for the state. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19 and 20. So matter may come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
As a request to the petitioner, list for 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
1920.
Please, my lords, I beg to mention item number 11. Lordship, kindly list the matter after 2 weeks.
This is that.
Chicken curry.
This is also another matter should have been.
Yes, my lords. The conducting counsel has some personal difficulties. No objection, Your Lordship.
The request made by the petitioner and not objected to by the counsel acting for the respondents. List this matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, my lords.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention for item number 18. My Lord, I pray if the matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, my Lord.
So I'm for the petitioner, so I have no objection.
No objection.
No objection. No.
We are making request on behalf of the state respondent.
Lordship.
So the request made on the state respondent. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23. The conducting counsel, Mr. P. Ubin, is unwell.
It come after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes. 3 weeks at the request of the petitioner. 23. Yes.
Apply, Your Lord.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Yes, Mr.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is an appeal against the judgment order passed by the Session Judge Milord in by the sentencing the appellant Milord for an amount of rupees 10,000 and in default to undergo punishment for 2 years, Milord. 2 months, Milord.
This is only sentence is by imposing fine only, no imprisonment. You have not been imprisoned.
Not in prison.
Only as default. Only if
Only in default, Milord.
What is the case?
Case is about it's allegedly that the son of one of the complainant was beaten up by some of the miscreants, unknown people, and thereby the police have investigated and have arrested the appellant, Milord, along with 2 others.
And you've been charged under section?
Under section 324, 34 and 201 IPC.
324, how could it be tried by session court?
Not session court, Milord.
326.
326, Milord.
That is what? Grievous. And then conviction is under 326, and how can it be only filed then? 326 minimum conviction is.
Yes.
You have been convicted under 326?
No, convicted under 324, my lord. It was initially it was.
So you were charge sheeted under 326.
Charge sheeted.
At the subsequent trial. So
tried under 324.
Yes. So why? Okay, this is. Only order of sentence can be appealed. Can it be?
Lordship, I'm so sorry. I just received this. I'm so sorry.
My lord,
there is no bar, isn't it? Appeal is maintainable.
It is maintainable, my lord, because that they were along with the fine, where there is an order in default of payment of such punishment, then my lord appeal lies.
Appeal lies.
Yes, my lord.
So we'll admit the appeal then. Okay, pardon Mr. Ichennath. Mr. Ichennath, Party Council, appearing for the appellant. Admit this appeal. Call for the records. Call for the trial court records. MS NG Shilla, Learned PP, APS. On behalf of all the respondents.
Yes, Lordship, because it's by office, not by name.
On behalf of all the respondents.
Lordship.
This is matter after arrival of the health record.
My lord, I have a small.
Arrival of the trial court record. Don't sell.
I have a small summation. We have filed a miscase, my lord, for suspension of the sentence. Today has been date fixed for making the payment, my lord.
That is no other option. We cannot oppose it. If sentence there is paid, then nothing would remain here.
Till the next date, Lordship.
Till the disposal of the matter. Heard Mr. Ichennath. You must know where to oppose.
Lordship.
That is. Yes. Heard Mr. Ichennath, Learned Counsel, appearing for the appellant. As well as MS NG Shilla, Learned PP for the opposite party. Stop. But this application, the applicant. Well, you mentioned appellant. It should be applicant. Your petition spoke. Entire body of the petition says appellant. Correct all those things. By this application, from what the applicant has prayed for suspension of sentence imposed upon him by your prayer is for
sentencing, suspension of sentencing.
yes by
Order dated 13 to
2025 consequent to his conviction by judgment and order dated 13 to 25 judgment or order of even date by which the applicant was convicted under section 324/44/201 IPC. Stop. The materials on record reveals that the applicant was initially charged under section 326
34 and 201.
for section 44. What is section 44?
34 melody, I think.
Your petition is make it 34, huh? 34. See paragraph 3 of your application. You meant section 34. See, Mr. Nath, you should be careful. You see, like, it should not be something like that.
Sorry, my lord.
And initially you were charged under 326.
Yes, ma'am.
34201.
Yes,
Later on the alteration is only, the conviction is only by altering 326.
320.
Not by altering, it is only
Charge stuff.
that charge was never formally altered, isn't it?
No.
What is it? Reveals. Section 326/34201 IPC. And charged and was made to face trial under the opposite section of law. However, after the completion of the trial by the judgment and order dated 13/2/2005, the applicant was convicted under section 324/34/201 IPC, whereupon a fine of ₹7,000 and for the offence under section 34/34 IPC and ₹3,000 in respect of offence under section 201 IPC was imposed by providing that in the event of default of payment, the applicant shall undergo simple imprisonment for 2 years. 2 months.
2 months, ma'am.
Give a paragraph. Considering the above aspect of the matter and that the applicant has been sentenced to pay only fine, it is deemed appropriate to suspend the sentence dated 13/2/2025 passed in order of sentence, dated 100 passed in, what is the case number? Nowhere mentioned in your petition. You are not helping the court.
Session case number 16 of 2016.
What is it? Just tell us the last page. Session case number 16, 2016. The final disposal of the connected criminal appeal number 7 of 2025. Application stands disposal.
My lordship. Item number 2.
Lordship,
Application stands allowed.
Lordship,
Yes, Mr. Dev.
in this case, same, I am appearing for 2 accused person.
Just a minute. Let us see the.
Sorry.
You are not in a hurry, you believe?
No, no, no.
Okay, this is arising out of the same.
Same,
The
Lordship,
similar
same. There are 3 accused persons. I was appearing in the trial court for 2 accused person, and other lawyer was appearing for 3rd accused person, Lordship.
So the same order will.
Same orders by the common.
Yes. Then we'll pass the same order.
Same order, Lordship.
Appeal also same order, and then in the miscase you have a miscase. You filed a
The
miscase.
same, similar.
And similar
same-
situation. The charge was 326.
Yes. Same.
We'll pass the same order.
Yes. Obliged.
Apply lordship.
Daily cost list, item number 1.
Amit, this is your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in view of this judgment passed by the Honorable
Yes,
Supreme Court.
Mr. Sula, we have it. It has been placed here.
Oh, lordship. Then all the matter become in functions, lordship.
From
Item
which
number-
item to which item?
My lord, item 5 stands disposed of by the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Item
Item,
five stands
item
disposed.
1,
So
5.
item 5 stands disposed of. So you just say, in view of the order passed by the Apex Court in civil appeal number 9625/2024, this matter stands disposed of and no further order is called. Correct?
So,
Yes.
then
Thank you.
remain
This will be
item,
9.
item 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, your lordship.
5, 6, 7, 8 will be same.
1, item 1, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. This also will go, your
No,
lordship.
Mr. This thing, Pilaman Nangbi is only with item.
Eh,
Only this order will be item 5.
Item 5, your lordship. In item 1, your lordship, that also will dispose of, your lordship. That also
No,
will.
but then by a different thing, as per your submission, those have become infractions.
Lordship, yes.
So,
In view of this
So
judgment,
far
your
as
lordship.
you are concerned, which items will be covered?
Lordship, this will cover, in my humble respect, submission, lordship will cover item number 1, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, item 5, 6, sir.
My lord, item number 6, I am appearing, my lord, for the student. But the writ petition is still survived.
How?
My lord, here the writ petitioner challenged
What is the relief you have claimed?
the relief we prayed for, my lord, that directing the respondent to pay compensation for violation of public law.
Which
Because,
respondent?
yes, the
Which
respondent,
respondent?
state
What the
respondent, the university.
So far,
Respondent university and the state government. Now, university stands dissolved, and all the assets and liabilities stand shifted to the government. So I will satisfy, my lord.
lordship, so far the contention of the writ petition in those items, your lordship. So far the state is concerned, your lordship, the state will have no liability, your lordship. Because, your lordship, that action taken by the state, your lordship, that mean at that time His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya, that has been upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Just
your
let us
lordship.
first finish the matters where we do not have controversy.
Lordship,
This is item
yes.
number 6. So item 6 right now we are not passing. Just hold on for a moment.
Then, lordship,
2,
item
5.
1 will go, your lordship.
Item 1, 2,
I am
5.
for item number 1, your lordship.
Then that one by one, lordship, that matter be called one by one. Item 1, this has to go, your lordship.
Yes, this is.
Item 1.
What is item 1? What is the case number?
This is item 349 of 2020.
Yes.
This will go, your lordship.
Lordship,
Review
we have
review of the order passed.
Lordship, yes.
Lordship, we have filed a review petition in the Supreme Court, and we pray for at least 4 weeks' time. There is no stay, but the petition has been filed. Review
There is
petition.
no stay.
No
Then
stay.
it's okay. There is no petition. We'll not.
We pray for
The
time.
matter
your
will be
lordship.
closed, your lordship. My humble and respectful.
We will close it. You
Let
find
the
if you
matter be
find that
closed, your lordship.
your review, you get something, then you can.
Review is
find
there.
it. It's okay. Let us see. Since you have not obtained a stay, where is the petition? will not keep these matters pending, because all along you see the order sheets.
Keep it alive only for 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
See the order sheets. All along it is only waiting for the disposal of the
Lordship, yes.
Yes, Lordship.
So that gives an assumption the matter is. It is submitted by the parties that the connected matter pending before the appeals court is disposed of by judgment dated. What is the date of judgment, Mr. Shulai?
Lordship, this is the date of this. Just a minute, please, Your Lordship. 13 to 25, Your Lordship.
13 to 2.
Last page, Your Lordship,
Yes.
the judgment.
The judgment passed in civil appeal number within the
9694 of 2024.
9695 of 2024. 9694
94.
9694 of 2025. 24.
9694 as well as in 9695, Your Lordship, because the state appeal is allowed, Your Lordship.
Just tell me the line. Yeah. Where the
56.
Decision of the state government in dissolving the CMG University is affirmed. In view of the above, there remains nothing to be decided in this matter, and the matter is closed as infructuous.
Lordship, I'm highly obliged, Your Lordship.
This will close the infructuous.
Hearing for UGC in this matter. Item number.
Okay, please give your name, that will be recorded. Only just record the things. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship. Then I appear 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, Your Lordship. In my humble and respectful submission, so far the state is concerned, Your Lordship.
No, but then can we close it? State is not only the only responsible.
Lordship, then the state.
What for then? What for this?
Because they are claiming compensation. If they are to damages and all, then
we can understand. Just tell us then why this matter was awaiting disposal of the apex court. Why this submission was made all along? Yes, Mr. Shangri should tell us why this matter was pending all along for disposal of the apex court. If it doesn't have any bearing in the
since they have filed the review, and then the plan is seeking for some time.
So, until unless there is an interim order and the review, there is no question of.
Yes. Therefore,
and we have passed this order saying the matter is infructuous.
My lord.
That is gone. Just tell us why this your matter,
5,
why
6,
it was
7,
pending
8.
for disposal of the apex court.
My lord, the university stands dissolved because there was a government prayer for taking together and awaiting the outcome of the Supreme Court. State never opposed that one. Throughout, my lord. Now the Supreme Court.
No, you see, it was
6, 7, 8, Lordship.
Submission of the parties that this matter should await outcome to the apex court. Now this outcome, the outcome of the matter because
been
the apex court has come. The matter has been decided.
Yes.
Then why you say that?
Now, since the apex court has cleared the air now,
yes,
my lord may go through, may hear the merits of the petition.
What is your prayer in the writ petition, and why it was awaiting for disposal of the apex court?
My lord, we pray
How do you connect it?
We pray for compensation for violation of public law. University.
This is yours is item number 6. What about the others?
Item number 6 and 7 connected matter.
6, 7, 8.
These are all connected matters.
Yes, Lordship. 6 and 7 is connected.
No, 8 also. 6, 7, 8.
Item number 10 also.
Only against the University Grants Commission.
Yes.
And that matter stands decided by the Supreme Court judgment.
Okay, so item 10 will be closed.
Yes, Lord.
We can close it by the same order. Same order, what we said.
Only UGC is a party in this particular matter as respondent. So
You
it
are
can be closed.
representing
I'm
UGC.
representing
And who is the petitioner in 10?
Additionally,
196, where's the file?
Okay, item 10 will be closed. Okay, in view of the order process. That's just like okay, matter has become then nothing else. Okay. Then this is by the same order. Okay, where we passed in. And then Which matter we have problem?
6, 7, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, no?
The others are? This 6.
Lordship, kindly come to page 49 of the writ petition.
Just a minute. Page?
Lordship, kindly come to page 49
Of the?
writ petition, your Lordship. That is writ petition 130. 310. 310.
Writ petition number? No, we are holding writ petition number 196. Item number?
Item number 6.
Oh, wait. What should be called? Let us go one by one.
Item 6.
No, what was the?
6 is 196. 6 is 196.
So what is there any matter before this? Before this, any matter?
Criminal petition.
Item number?
Item number 2, criminal petition.
Okay, no, not connected with this. Okay. You are holding 196, Mr. Shulai, no.
Lordship, sorry, Lordship, kindly come to the prayer.
196, in WPC 196.
Yes, Lordship, kindly come to page 35.
Yes.
The prayer same, your Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly come here. The prayer is why a writ of mandamus should not be issued as to why giving admission to the writ petitioner for master degree become BEd to the writ for the academic year so and so and collecting due fees thereof by the respondents CMJ respondent CMJ Foundation and respondent state without legal competency should not be declared as illegal and unconstitutional, and further please direct the above respondent to award suitable and reasonable compensation to the tune of 5 lakh each as permissible under the public law remedy and for the past others. So, your Lordship, so far the state is concerned, your Lordship, the state,
There is nothing.
there is nothing, your Lordship.
No, but then can we close it partially?
The state, then the array of the state as a party has to be struck off, your Lordship. In my humble and respectful submission, your Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to the,
where is the judgment of
the Honorable Supreme Court.
This item number? Where is the judgment of the FS?
Lordship, I have an extra copy.
This is here. Just now you give me this one.
If Lordship kindly come to para 69 of the judgment.
Yes.
Para 69, your Lordship. The issues raised for the concern of this court are answered as follows. The procedure prescribed under section 14(1) of the Act for the appointment of the Chancellor was not duly followed by the CMJ University, and consequently, the appointment of the Chancellor of the CMJ University was known as and void ab initio. Then, Lordship, the dissolution order dated 31st March has been passed with strict adherence to the procedural requirement outlined under section 48 of the CMJ University Act 2009 and in compliance of the direction issued by this court in its order dated so and so. Then, Lordship, kindly come to 4. The decision of the state dated so and so dissolving the CMJ is affirmed. It would be open for the state to take appropriate measure pursuant to the affirmation to the decision to dissolve the CMJ. So, Lordship, because illegalities adopted by this by the university has been detected, has been found by the state. That's why the state has taken a decision to dissolve.
CMJ? Who is appearing for CMJ? You are appearing for the CMJ.
Yes.
So this finding of the Honorable Supreme Court is very clear, your Lordship.
And your submission is that since you have filed a review petition, this matter should not be closed.
Because the writ petitioner, if they want damages or compensation, Lordship, in my humble and respectful submission, this is not the forum, your Lordship.
Then we have to hear the writ petition then. In that earlier matter, where we have disposal, you record his submission.
In all. These are the lower.
And then the matter which we have closed, saying that infractors, before there in one paragraph, you will say that he submitted complete number. I'll just it. That his record submission, that is filed a revision. However, there is no interim order passed in this. That will be recorded somewhere in the middle, and then
we'll be recording your submission in that other matter which we have disposed of. You say that there is no interim order.
No, no interim.
Now here, what kind of direction we can issue to the university, and after this dissolving of the university,
but after,
what can the court issue writ against the university?
After dissolution of the university under the Act, CMJ Act, all the assets and liabilities stands transferred to the state government. Now, if I succeed, persuade my lord, just allow me. If I persuade my lord and make out the case, then direction may be given to the state government to pay compensation from the assets and liabilities that transfer from the university. I'll satisfy them. State cannot just simply wash away. It is their legislation.
Then the
they have a permissive
compensation
control.
For what purpose?
But it is a violation of public law. Well, I'll place some few decisions. But
no, violation. You are asking compensation for what?
But a compensation for
collecting huge fees.
Huge fees.
Now, where is the law which says that for if authority collects huge fees?
My lord, giving a wrong admission without legal competency, that amounts to violation of public law. And my lord is sitting here in a rich jurisdiction. My damages before the trial court is available.
So far as the academic year of 2012 and 13 is concerned, this, you see, the dissolution of the university or dissolving the university was not there. It has been dissolved only with effect from 31st March 2014. So how can we term that the fees collected during 2012-13 is illegal?
My lord, I'll satisfy when the university give a wrong admission to the students by playing frauds without any legal sanctions.
No. How come? Where is the question of playing fraud?
Lordship, here, university, the contention of the university was that university was established in accordance with the CMJ Act properly. State reg up the issue, governor found the irregularities and said that from the day one, there was no proper sanction of the government. There was no proper establishment of the university. Therefore, all the functioning of the university itself is illegal. So that was upheld by Supreme Court now.
When this university was established?
My lord, that one, my lord.
And how long it ran before it was dissolved?
But
for how many years it continued before it was dissolved?
My lord, that I'm not aware how many years it was running, my lord. But it seems, my lord, the 2009 then it was established.
Lordship, 2009.
Lordship. Agarwal, just tell us, can you tell us what happens if a university is dissolved because of some malpractice or the wrongdoings? Now, what consequence it will bring, and who would be liable for those consequences?
Lordship, I'll go through the CMJ Act along with the state government also has an.
Of course, you are not appearing for CMJ Act, but then perhaps you are representing UGC, yes, so we thought we will take some legal knowledge from you.
I will assess this honorable court to that extent.
So, because we have to decide that part, yes, Mr. Shulai.
Because Lordship, here,
because after all, this university was established.
The allegation of the writ is directed against the university, not against the state.
But this university was created by you.
Exactly. Lordship, it's
by under an act of the state, and then you dissolve it.
It is true, Your Lordship. It is true, Your Lordship. It is true, Your Lordship.
When you create something by using your authority, how can you be completely absolved from the liability?
Lordship, we have detected the irregularity committed by the university, and accordingly, we have taken a conscious decision, Your Lordship, to dissolve it.
So there is we cannot
dissolve it.
We are not questioning that decision.
Yes.
But then the thing is that so long it functioned under your authority.
Because the appointment also has been done in contravention of the Act, Your Lordship. Everything is illegal, Your Lordship. Everything is illegal, Your Lordship.
Try to understand. They had the authority to do it because you allowed them. There was an act. The act was there prior to 2014 when you took a decision to dissolve. Now, any act done by them after 2014, you may not be liable. But then before that, you may have some liability. You have to see, go through the act.
Madam, and Board of Governors of the University.
This is shall we proceed with the hearing?
I can proceed with Lordship permits. I don't know, subject to my esteemed colleague.
If you are ready, we'll proceed with
Yes,
hearing.
Your Lordship.
Same University, if he is also there.
I'll have to take inspection.
This, of course, then that part you are. Now that with that we one difficulty in the sense we must know what the act is.
My lord, I have the egg also.
And whether act has provision
Yes.
that in case of
We will satisfy
dissolution
even
of the university
my lord.
because of the reasons, what will be the consequence?
Right. Even the management board, the high dignitaries of the state also represented in the management itself. We will satisfy my lord. If lordship posts the matter after 1 week. After 1 week.
678, Your Lordship. 678.
1 week, matter will be
Which
conclusively
we
heard.
cannot dispose of then in
678, Your Lordship.
6, 7, 8.
Lordship, yes.
I'm
you sure?
appearing only in item 8. Lordship. In 6 and 7, UGC is not a party. I'm
6,
appearing
7,
only in item 8.
6, 7, Your Lordship. The state.
Six, 7,
In 8, Your Lordship, a state is not a party.
8, in 8, what is the 8? What is the prayer in 8?
No. Yes, 8. 8 also same, Your Lordship.
Right now we are handling item 6. This is
6,
196 is
7.
item 6.
Yes, Your
That
Lordship.
is my
yes.
petition, my lord. 1 to 5 is the state respondent. 6 to 10
Which
is
one?
the
Which one?
same university.
Wait, just a minute. We have things have
number
become,
6.
it has become a mess now. This petition should not have been tacked together.
It
if
should
it were
be
not identical and
yeah.
similar. And all along the same order has been passed.
Take out, take out.
With outcome of the apex court decision.
out.
And now parties come up with
One.
different, very unfair, basically. If your case was for compensation, you should have proceeded. The apex court's decision was not at all, you see, had no bearing on at all.
But that was but that was my approach. But the respondent side came and said that the apex court assists the matter.
The order doesn't
matter
say
will
so.
be different.
The submissions are by the parties.
But
So it is assumed as joint submission.
yes, we'll assume it.
This is,
Item number 6, my lord.
you have called item. Before we come to item, what about item 5?
Item 5 that disposed of by the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, Your Lordship.
As Mr. Puleman Nagri has said.
Yes, Your Lordship. You please find out.
And which one, Mr. Datta was making submission?
In item 1, Your Lordship. Item 1. Item 1.
Item 1.
Yes, Your Lordship. You will have to.
Oh, there are in orders also. Oh, there also you are a petitioner. You are nobody now, and there is no stay now, so you cannot keep it alive. Anyway, then we will pass whatever order has been passed. Pass. That is okay. Then what about 2?
No,
Two is
2.
not
2. This is a criminal petition, Your Lordship. This is
2, 3, 4. These are not connected.
not connected.
1 is connected with 5.
1 is connected with 5. Then 6, 7,
5
8.
is gone. 6, Mr. Sangresha.
Well,
6, 7.
6.
7 also is.
7 is by Mr. Abraham.
Yes, this is
And
your
8
name is also there.
My lord, this wrongly reflected my name. But the item 7, 8, and 9 wrongly reflected.
Item 7, 8, and 9.
Well, 7 is represented by Mr.
And all
Mr.
these
Abraham.
cases are also. What is your prayer there?
Connected, just like
Compensation,
What
Your
is your
Lordship.
prayer there? Just tell us. Everything is kept as connected, but then now we cannot dispose of the same by one order. Tell us what is your prayer in those payments.
it's a similar prayer in WPC. Even this in the WPC
Come to item 7. Come to item 7 and tell us what is the prayer.
310.
310.
All this file are there.
Yes. What is your prayer, Mr. Abraham here?
For this also for compensation, because we have taken we at the time of admission we have paid
What is
it.
at what page? What is the page? There.
The prayer you will find, Your Lordship, at page 49
Yes.
in writ petition 310.
It's the same prayer.
Same prayer, Your Lordship.
This is
Same prayer.
basically kind of, like reproduction of the prayer of the earlier piece.
Yes, Your Lordship, because they are same, they are the student of the same college, and they have taken admission.
Exactly same in verbatim. This is a collusive petition.
But both the students, they are
Okay,
both.
then what about the next number 7? Also same.
Yes, Your Lordship. 7 is writ petition 310, 2014.
So
Keep separately.
5, 6, 7. These are all.
No, Your Lordship. 6, 7, 8. 5 is already disposed of.
Oh yes, sorry. 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8, 9.
8 you were there, Dr. Agarwal. 8 you were there, but then 8 also has become infructuous. In 8, what is the prayer? And
311.
why UGC is a party in 8?
Gitanjali.
Lordship, it's just a formal party. The prayer is not against UGC.
No, but then what is the prayer made here? In 8, who is appearing? Item 8, who is appearing?
They are from Guwahati, ma'am. Today they are not appearing.
No, local councils are also there. Mr. ASCM,
But these are all
Mr.
my
E.
colleague,
Wanyang.
my colleague from my chamber.
So you are not there.
Yeah,
So how come all of your names are there?
311.
Reflected.
Then 311, Lordship, kindly come to page 25.
Which one? Which petition number?
Lordship, item A, that is writ petition number 311 of 2014. This also has to go, Your Lordship. Kindly come to the prayer, Lordship, at page 25. Page 25, Your Lordship.
Where is the writ petition? Not yes.
At page 25, Your Lordship.
Just a minute.
You see the
Yes.
Lordship, kindly see the prayer. May I read the prayer, Lordship?
Yes, please.
Issue notice calling upon the respondent to show cause as to why the impugned decision report of the visitor, that means His Excellency, Your Lordship, the Governor of Meghalaya, that issued by and follow up consequent order issued by the Principal Secretary to the Education Department shall not be declared as illegal, null and void, and why the impugned data issued by Joint Secretary invalidating the PhD degree to be awarded to the patient shall not be declared as illegal. Direct the respondent so and so intended to take up to provide PhD degree to the if
So
necessary.
it doesn't survive, remains
Yes.
to survive for consideration. Now, can we pass an order with, in absence of the petitioner?
Mrs. Sharasu is here.
No, I don't.
Huh?
Wrongly reflected.
Then the writ petition may be dismissed on default by default, Your Lordship.
Just right item. This is item.
Item A, Your Lordship. Writ petition number 311.
Yes. You were there. This thing. So just
We are
just
responding.
record the name of the respondents' counsel, Mr. Shulai and Dr. Pierre. Mr. Shulai, learned the AG appears with so and so for the respondent number so and so, and Dr. Agarwal for
Lordship, state
Six.
is
5 and 6.
state 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, Your Lordship.
Yes. And Mr. Datta for 7 and 8.
7 and 8, Your Lordship, yes.
CMJ Foundation, University and CMJ Foundation.
Your Lordship, yes.
None appears for the. This will say so and so all are present for the respondents. Okay. And then it will say none appears for the petitioner. It is submitted by the learned counsel appearing to the respondents that the connected matter pending before the
apex court has been disposed of, whereby the dissolution of the CMJ University by the state government has been upheld. You will stop paragraph. Since there is no appearance on behalf of the petitioner, it seems petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Hence, the matter starts dismissed for default. You will do one thing, has been disposed of by the connected matter appearing before the export has been disposed by order dated so and so, passing so and so. I write from there. Okay. So this will, we are disposing it for default.
Lordship, yes.
May not be proper to pass any order.
Lordship, yes.
If they have any grievances, they can come for restoration.
Certainly, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So the remaining matters, Your Lordship, then WPC number item 6, Your Lordship.
This will
6, 7.
6, 7 will just
6, 7 and 9, Your Lordship.
It means, what is 9?
9, Your Lordship. 9 also, Your Lordship, are same, Your Lordship, are claiming for compensation.
Who is appearing in 9?
Counsel from Guwahati, Mr. N. Sharma, is host.
9.
That also will stand dismissed for default.
Lordship, then
because we cannot
yes.
take partial view since we have taken.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Other
Then remaining items
in that
6
matter
and
also,
7 only.
In that item, what is that item?
Item number 9, Your Lordship.
9.
That is 358 of 2014.
Item number 10 is also there, Your Lordship. Item number 10.
Item number 10 also is there. That is also for what?
That is CMJ University versus the University Grant Commission.
Even in spite of the fact you have lost before Supreme Court, you are getting some relief here. Some cases against you are dismissed.
Item 9, then it has to
358, isn't it? What
Lordship,
is the prayer
yes.
what is the prayer in item 9?
That is also, Your Lordship.
Compensation.
Just a minute, Your Lordship. No, to validate, Your Lordship. Validate the decrease.
Anyway, this also we will say none appears for the petitioner, Mr. Andy Shulai, learned AG.
For respondent number 1, 2, 4, Your Lordship.
One, 2, 3, and 4, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then Mr. Datta for pro bono respondents. Mr. Datta for pro bono respondent number 5 and 6. Then give a paragraph. The learned counsel for the respondents submit that the connected matter pending before so and so, disposal by order so and so. Just say. Then you give a paragraph. Next paragraph, since there is no appearance on behalf of the petitioner.
6 and 7.
On
6,
behalf of the
7.
petitioners, comma. It appears that the petitioners have no interest. Petitioners have lost interest to pursue this matter. Stop. The matter accordingly stands dismissed for default. Yes.
Yes, we keep
This is 358, isn't it?
Then
WPC 358. This will go as disposed. Then which one remain? Only now.
6 and 7, Your Lordship.
6 and
6 and 7, Your Lordship.
Now
That
6
is
and
the
7?
WPC.
Just say a split for by Mr. DK Datta. You are DK Datta.
Yes.
DK Datta. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent number
6 to 10 in my case.
Well, do not say. Yours is 196, isn't it?
Well,
They made a mess, you see, there is no doing things like this.
Respond number 6 to 10 represented by
Just a
this team is to take
Then state is
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Then in item 7, state is respondent number C.
What is the party name? You said?
A dissolved university, will it come under the definition of state?
But
After it is dissolved.
my lordship is examining the action that they were exercising the color of the state at that point of time. As of now, my lord, they don't wear the cloth of a state since the dissolution is
The
there.
question comes in a point time when the directions become necessary. Can a Reed court issue a direction against a body which is not state? Doesn't come under definition of state anymore.
But therefore, the liability of the state comes into being. I'll satisfy that two aspects.
Mr. Datta is appearing here for
6 to 10, he's seeking for some time.
just a minute, yes, that we can understand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here this chancellor is made a party by name also.
This is what is the number? No.
310.
Here you just say, as pressed for by who is the visitor? Racha is the governor.
This is the governor.
The governor, Your Lordship.
Yes. You please verify that aspect of the matter. The consequences of dissolution of a university created by an act of the state.
Yes.
What consequence it would bring upon the state? And your payment of fees and all, whether it is disputed or not.
They do not dispute.
No affidavit has been filed in this matter.
They don't dispute.
They do not dispute the
Yes. My
deposit of
admission,
things and all.
all aspects, they don't dispute. They are in fact answering to the state government only. But since matter is pending for quite some time, Lordship post the matter next week, subject to Lordship convening. Hear the matter once and for all.
This is an opportunity for the court also to get enlightened. And court continuously has that effort.
Next week.
Anyway, just say a speak for by Mr. D.K. Datta, Learned Counsel appearing for the. Oh, Mr. D.K. Datta, just say Mr. D.K. Datta, Learned Counsel appearing for the response number 6 to 10 submits that some fresh instruction is needed in this matter and praise for grant of some time. Fair allowed? List after 2 weeks. 2 weeks? 3 weeks.
I don't think
For instruction? List after 3 weeks. This will be 6 and 7.
6 and 7, Your Lordship.
These are the only 2 matters survives now. All other is disposal.
Yes.
Okay.
Give your Lordship.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
This case, Your Lordship,
Yes, pending for filing of objection.
by the respondent number 2, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
Mr. T. Manger.
Just require 1 week's time, Lordship, just for signatures. The objection's ready, Lordship.
No problem.
Your Lordship, last time we given, Your Lordship, this is the 3rd time they've been asking for time, Your Lordship. So.
Anyway, we'll give them further 1 week time.
Just 1 week's time. 1 week's time.
Mr. Harfan, praise for Learned Counsel appearing for the response number 2. Praise for and granted further 1 week's time for filing objection in the matter. List according to.
Item number 3.
Well, the service report has been filed, my lord. We have filed our affidavit on service.
Yes.
The service is complete, my lord.
This is in respect to respondent number 2.
Yes.
And who is respondent number 1? State of Meghalaya? Nobody. The previous day also state there was no appearance for the state. Okay. On the previous occasion, nobody appears for the state. Today also there is no one appearing for the state.
Item number 4,
So
Lordship.
we'll make some observation and we'll send it to Lord.
My Lord, item number 4.
Three.
Oh, sorry, my Lord. Lordship, I'll appear for item number 3 then, since nobody's here.
No, but then see, like we have to make this kind of the state.
My Lord, I'll
cannot go
ensure that
100%.
whoever has been endorsed the matter, they'll appear, Lordship. I'll appear for today, my Lord. Lordship.
This is something. Please take care.
My Lord.
See your whomever you endorse, they appear.
Lordship, Lordship.
But the previous day also nobody appeared.
My apologies, Lordship, but we'll take care of this, Lordship.
Mr. SD, Learned Counsel applying that the petitioner submits that an affidavit of service showing the effectum of delivery of notice upon the respondent number 2 has been filed. Stop. However, none appears for the respondent number 2 when the matter is called out. What shall we do? Shall we keep it for another day for appearance of
Yes, my
respondent
lord.
number 2?
Let it come after 2 weeks. On the meantime, let it be fixed for hearing, my lord. Let them enter appearance after 2 weeks.
No, we'll fix it for hearing once they enter appearance, otherwise on the next day.
My lord.
Okay. This is matter after 2 weeks to enable the appearance of the respondent number 2.
So, same order will carry for item number 4 also. My lord.
Same things.
Yes, my lord. There's
Lordship,
2 different
item
accused
number
in the
4,
same
I'm
matter.
appearing for the state, Lordship.
Whether the respondents and these are all same.
Yes,
Situation
yes.
is same.
Yes, yes.
Here also 2 has been. You have filed an affidavit.
Yes, I have filed my affidavit. Same order will carry.
Item. This is item. What you say?
4, my lord.
4.
Can you lie?
This is arising out of the same matter or what?
Yes, yes, yes.
Lordship, I don't have the file to item number 3. In item number 4, I'm for the state, Lordship. I'm not aware as to whether complainant has been served
Item
notice
3
on a
was the
Lordship.
previous matter.
Previous matter, Lordship.
No, but then you see, please look after this. Is
My
your
Lord,
thing.
Lordship. My
But
apologies
just
again,
see your office register. It has been adjourned to endorsed to whom?
Lordship.
At least it should not go unrestrained.
My Lord.
Okay, then same order.
Same order will carry. Hello.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 14.
Yes.
Yes, your Lordship. Lordship, I'm seeking for some accommodation on this matter, Lordship. Mr. Paul has still some rituals to be performed.
But then why you did not make a mention of the mention? Hmm? What is this matter? This is a revision.
Lordship.
Against final order or interim order?
Final order, your lordship. Setting aside the...
That is the rule 6.
My lord.
This is a revision under rule 6.
My lord.
Against concurrent finding.
Against the judgment and order that was decreed by the presiding officer.
That is the first trial court decreed in your favor.
In
Then
their favor.
In their favor.
Of the
The
petitioner
trial court
hearing.
reversed it.
The
Sorry, appellate court
appellate
reversed it.
it.
So against
Therefore,
reversal they have come.
My lord, against the setting aside of the order, judgment and decreed order of the
Yes, the order of the
trial court.
Yes, the decree was set aside by the appellate court.
Set aside.
Okay. They are the plaintiff, you are the defendant.
My lord, in the trial court. As
prayed for by Ms.
so and so on behalf of Mr. Kapal, learned senior counsel, and not objected to by Mr. Ranja, learned counsel applying for the respondents. List this matter after
2 weeks, Lordship.
after 3 weeks. Highly obliged.
Late, Lordship.
Item number 12.
Okay.
No, this is also connected to the CMG University.
You are there?
Well,
Appearing for?
I'm here, Union of India and Central Excise Department are parties. Well, here the petitioner obtained certificate from CMG University, BSc. Then he applied for recruitment as Inspector of Central Excise. He was selected on the basis of that particular certificate issued by CMG University.
What is the impugn order dated 17? What is that? That order is passed by?
But this is issued by, this is page 13.
You are holding the file, Dr. Majika?
Yes, sir, file is with me.
What is that? Where is that impugn order? Where can we find it?
Well, I'll just point.
Just want to know whether if you can dispose it, you will dispose it. (1906-2007). Their index also is something very.
But there is some mistake in the index. But if I may draw your lordship attention, page 67, my lord.
Yes.
Now, this is a letter from the Central Excise Department to the petitioner, my lord. Subject credibility of BSc certificate obtained from CMG University. Lordship has got this page 67.
Anyway, we'll pass that order. It is submitted by the doctor. It's just an non-APS for the petitioner. Then you say it is submitted by Dr. Majika that the apex code that the matter that the connected matter pending before the apex court has been disposed of by, just say judgment or order dated so and so, hereby the decision to dissolve so and so has been upheld. Yes, last paragraph say. Then the second paragraph you say, since there is no appearance for the petitioner, it appears that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Stop the matter. Accordingly, the matter stands dismissed for default. All along, all where they stand up, say that matter is pending before appeals court. Now, after this social we find there are many, he said there are no appeals. Yes.
Item number 15.
Yes. Yes, please.
Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day.
There is like them.
The conducting council.
Yes. Any objection by you?
Your Lordship, this matter is being conducted by Mr. A.H. Khandwanlang. So
He's not here.
yes, Your Lordship. No
At the
objection
joint
there.
request of the parties, this is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number
Obliged,
14,
Lordship.
17.
Hill Cements Company Limited.
Lordship, similar prayer, Lordship.
This is subsidy matter.
Subsidy matter. Well, you have not given, not granted subsidy. You make scheme and you do not give the pass the benefit.
What was the entitlement we have given, my lord?
This is something very bad. You formulate scheme and do not want to pass on the benefit.
But what happens, my lord? Every time there is a scheme, people ask for more, my lord, more than the scheme.
To you enhance that part. Okay. See, everything you do for benefit of public, isn't it? If people they are not satisfied, you should ensure that they are satisfied. Yes, the same order like before. Okay. Request has been made by so and so on behalf of Mr. Kapal. Okay. And yet that order last. Oh, that same order. After
3 weeks, Lordship.
no problem.
No.
Obliged.